Hello guys, I'm Mr. Mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here I have the dimensions. Here we have three standard view. This is the top view of the model. This is the front view, and this is the right view. And we will get help from these dimensions to design this 3D model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. Firstly, I have to close the model. For closing the model, just click on close. Now you have to make a new part. For making a new part, just click on new part. Okay, now I have a new part. First thing first, I have to draw the sketch. It doesn't matter at first which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on the front plane and click on the sketch. Now you have an open sketch on the front plane. So I'm going to draw a rectangle, so click on the center rectangle, and here you can see as I get close to origin point, the orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, the center of the rectangle will be connected to the origin point. So click on this on the screen and right click, select to exit the rectangle. Now I have to draw an arc here. So you can see here we have a rectangle and an arc here. So here choose a 3-point arc. I can choose other type of the arc, but a 3-point arc is much better to use. So here I start drawing the arc from this point. So draw an arc, and the center of the arc must be this side of the rectangle, and click on the screen, right click, select to exit the tool. And here, if you can't see the dimensions or the relations, come to hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the relations or the sketch dimensions. So here the arc must be tangent to the to this line. So here we have the tangent relation. If tangent relation is not applied, please do it yourself. Apply the tangent relation. Now choose the smart dimension. The radius of this arc is 20 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 130 millimeter. My sketch is full defined because the sketch is not moving. Here is full defined and the sketch is black. Now all you have to do is just extrude the sketch. Come to the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, just right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. So here we have the feature, and click on extruded boss and base. Here we have some options. Here in selected contour, choose this region. You can see we have two regions, and choose this region and this region. And here must be a sketch plane, here must be blind, and here is 10 millimeter. Don't turn on these options. We will go through these two options in the other videos, but for now just do the same thing I'm doing right now. Click on OK. Now we have to design this part of the model. So click on this surface and click on sketch. Don't click on edit sketch, click on sketch. Now we have a new sketch on this surface, and hold the Ctrl and 8 button on your keyboard. Or you can in view orientation, you can change the different views, for example this view or this view. So you can change the view by this option. And now choose line and start drawing the line from this point. So I'm drawing this part. I'm using the dimension of this view. This is the front view. So draw a line, and here choose a 3-point arc and draw an arc. And the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. And here choose again line and connect the arc to this line, and connect this line to this one. And right click and select. So the line is connected. Yes, this line is extra, so delete this line. And the sketch is not fully defined, this is underdefined. You have to apply the relations. The arc here must be tangent to these two lines. So hold the Ctrl button and choose this arc and this line, and here in add relation and give it tangent relation, and do the same thing here, tangent relation. Now these two lines are equal, so hold the control button and choose these two lines, and in add relation give it equal relation. Now choose the smart dimension. The radius of this arc is 25 millimeter, and uh, the dimension from this line to the point here is 40 millimeter. You can see the color of the lines changed to black. It means that my sketch is fully defined. Now all we have to do is just draw a circle at this point. So draw a circle here and choose a smart dimension. The dimension of the circle is 30 millimeter. So here is 30 millimeter. Now all we have to do is just extrude the sketch. Come to the feature and click on extruded boss and base. And we have to reverse the direction. Click on reverse direction here. Here must be blind, sketch plane, and extrude the sketch about 10 millimeter. And here must be merge results. If you don't click on this option, the extrusion won't be merged to this part, and here we will have the problem. And in selected contour, choose this region and OK. So we have another extrusion on this side of the model. So I'm going to mirror this extrusion. So for doing that, come to the feature and click on mirror, mirror features. And here choose the top plane. Choose the top plane. I'm going to choose the middle plane. So this is exactly at the middle of my model. So here in mirror faces plane, choose the top plane, and here features to mirror, choose extrude boss, and here click on OK. Now we have the mirror extrusion. So now all we have to do is just make a cut extrude on this surface. So click on this surface and click on a sketch. Now we have opened a sketch on this surface, the blue surface. Now hold the Ctrl and 8 button on your keyboard. Here choose the center point straight slot and draw a slot. So again choose this one and draw a slot. Yes, here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this center line is 40 millimeter. And this point, hold the control button and choose this point and this point and give it vertical relation. They are vertical. My sketch is not still full defined because it is still moving, and the radius of this arc is 10 millimeter. My sketch is full defined because everything is black and my sketch is not moving. Here come to the feature and click on extruded cut. Here choose through all, so it will extrude the sketch through all the model. And don't turn on these two options, and in selected contour choose this region, and in here must be a sketch plane. Now click on OK, and this view is better. And all we have to do is just apply a color. Here in edit appearance you can change the color, for example change it to red, yellow, green, or for example purple is better. I think purple, yes, purple. And that's it. Please practice at home and do it yourself. I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel about drawing a sketch. Drawing a sketch is very, very important. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. And thanks for watching this video.